Welcome to India, the state of Telangana and the new Hyderabad street circuit. Home to almost 7 million residents, Hyderabad is famous for its excellent cuisine, monuments and temples which include the Charminar and the Fort of Golconda. The circuit sees 17 turns winding through the streets of the NTR Gardens and alongside the Hussain Sagar Lake on a demanding 2.8-kilometre layout that's full of character and different racing challenges. Let's take a look at some of the key hotspots on the lap. Turn 1 is a full-throttle right-hander right beside the lake, and we'll see cars going side by side on the opening lap trying to get into position for a slipstream towards Turn 2, which is likely to be the best overtaking opportunity on the lap. With a heavy braking zone encouraging drivers to go for a lunge at the hairpin, the NTR Gardens section of the lap begins at Turn 5, with a fast opening sequence through the chicane of Turn 6 and 7 and a quick dab of the brakes for Turn 8. Turn 10 quickly approaches with the left-hander that opens up wide on the exit, allowing a lot of speed to be carried through this critical corner. The final key sequence of the lap is at turns 15 and 16, a chicane that may see a last gasp overtake before the final corner and is crucial to get right in order to carry as much speed as possible onto the next lap. Let's jump on board now for a lap of the circuit. These final couple of corners are all about warming the tyres and brakes and preparing for the best launch out of the final corner to start the lap. As early as you dare on the throttle, we enter the pit straight to start a lap of the Hyderabad street circuit. Stay to the left-hand side to open up Turn 1 as much as possible, gradually turning the steering wheel through the flat-out right-hander before the next straight and the high-speed run towards Turn 2. As you approach Turn 2, the slowest of the lap, hard on the brakes, down the gears, rotate the car and slingshot your way through turns 3 and 4 and back up the other side of the dual carriageway. The run up to Turn 5 provides another opportunity for drivers to overtake, especially if their rival has had a poor exit out of the hairpin before. But it's more about setting the car up for the run through the NTR Gardens, where a sequence of corners come in quick succession. Clip the curb of Turn 8, mind the grass on the left through Turn 9, and carry momentum through Turn 10, running close to the wall on the exit. Stay in the middle of the track for the tricky approach to the quick Turn 11 and 12 chicane. Try to straight line it as much as possible and hit the brakes for Turn 13, which leads onto a short straight and towards the final sequence of the lap. This is the final opportunity to go for that last gasp overtake into the chicane. The pit entry peels off to the right, but stay to the left to optimise the run through the final corner. This is one of the trickiest corners of the lap, but one that's critical to get right as you pin the throttle all the way to the line to complete a lap of the Hyderabad street circuit.